Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to generate humanized content using Deepseek. Now the first step is to make sure that you have installed the Deepseek app on your smartphone. To do that, just open the Play Store. Now from here, search Deepseek. Now as you can see, I have Deepseek already installed on my smartphone. If you have not installed it on your smartphone, just tap on install. And once the app is fully downloaded, tap on open. Now from here, I will ask Deepseek to generate an essay consisting of 200 words about the dangers of AI. Now from here, let's generate the essay. It will take a few seconds to generate the essay. Now from here, as you can see, it generated the essay consisting of 200 words about the dangers of AI. Now from here, let's copy the essay. Now from here, let's open the Chrome browser. Now from here, search Quillbot. Now, Quillbot is a website which checks that the text entered is generated by an AI or not. Now, let's tap on to analyze text, and from here, just paste the copied essay. Now, from here, scroll down and tap on Detect AI. Now, as you can see, it is showing that the text entered is 100% generated by an AI. Now let's try to reduce it down to 0. Now to do that, just open a new tab on your browser. Now from here, search humanize.io. Now from here, open the first link. From here, go back to Deepseek and copy the text again. Now from here, go to the browser and paste the text. Now from here, tap on Humanize AI text. Now it will take a few seconds to generate the humanized essay. Now from here, just copy the text it humanized. Now from here, just open the tab where Quillbot is open. Just like that. Now from here, just scroll up and tap on the dustbin icon over here. Now from here, just tap on to analyze text and paste the text. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on Detect AI. Now, as you can see, it is showing 0, which means we have successfully humanized content using Deepseek. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.